everybody. I have this smoke detector here, and it's talking to me about pressing the test button, and I'm going to start pressing it. Okay, so now this I got at the DI today. It has this special battery. Here it goes. See that battery? It's special kind. The battery lasts for 10 years. I know it lasts for a long time. Okay, here is my smoke detector. I don't know what place I got it at, but it hangs up there on that mounting bracket. So here's the hush button. I think that's dead battery. At the very first video I made, I think this was on there. Yeah, it really was. Here's a Willox 7002. I owned this on eBay one time. I think it was a Friday. Here's my Simplex True Alerts. It was in the mail like a Wednesday. I never made a video of it before, but it is loud. Here is my smoke detector. I got it at Kmart in its first alert, and it's very old. There's the battery, and it has a squeal horn light and test button right there. And I can't remember what that black and silver thing is. And yep, it just chirped. Yep, it is loud. This, sometimes they get hair on them when they're on the floor. Dog hair. Well, it has this LED. It'll only flash when you have a panel, and I don't have a panel. Here's another one that's exactly the same as this, but just this one doesn't have. This one does not have the speaker, and this one does. Okay, yeah, and this one's pretty cool. And it's a smoke detector. It doesn't have a test button. It does not have a test button. And people can't even test it with match because there has to be lots and lots of fire. It has, here's the inside, like these buttons. Day, minute, hour, I don't know what that is. Yep, it's pretty cool.
I think that's a thermostat controller.
This, it doesn't...
First alert on it.
It first still works. Here is, I got it, I think I got it at Lowe's. Switching batteries could make it help, I think. Like, take the battery out of this and put it in this. You could see the LED blinked. That right there. And I think that's it. I have, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I still have more, but when I put in the video takes too long. And I think that's it for today. And it has these over here too. And usually the one up here, this one that's on this shelf it's broken. And thanks for watching.